Want to throw a virtual watch party and sync up movies, shows, and music with your friends, all from your phone? Let's dive into how to use the Rave app to create unforgettable shared viewing experiences. First, head to your app store that's either the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. Search for Rave Watch Together and download the app once it's installed. Tap Open to launch Rave. On the home screen, you'll see several login options. You can sign in with your Google account, Facebook, Twitter, or create an account using your email address. Pick whichever is easiest for you. For this example, I will tap on Sign Up with Email and create the account. Now that you're logged in, you'll see a selection of streaming services that Rave supports. These can include Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, Amazon Prime Video, and more. Tap on the service you want to use for your watch party. Note that you'll need to be logged into your account for that streaming service within the Rave app for this to work. Let's choose YouTube. After you select your service, you'll be prompted to search for content. Let's search for the official trailer for Avengers Endgame. Click on the result, and you now have the option to create a Rave by clicking the pink plus sign displayed in the bottom right corner of the display. Choose your privacy settings. You can make the Rave public, allowing anyone to join. Set it to friends only so only your Rave friends can join, or make it completely private, inviting only specific people. Tap on your preference. For this example, I will select friends and send invites directly within the app. Your friends will need to have Rave installed to join. And that's it. Once your friends join, the video will play in sync for everyone. You'll see a chat window where you can discuss the video in real time. Use the playback controls at the bottom to pause, play, fast forward, or rewind. These actions will be synchronized for everyone in the Rave. Now you can sit back, relax, and enjoy watching together, even when you're apart.